Hey guys, Brent's Garage here. And today we're gonna be looking at. This is just gonna be one video. It's a gasket kit for the Ingersoll. As you guys know, we bought this one just not very long ago, but this is our old one, and the engine needs rebuilt because the head gasket's blue, and that caused it to have oil in the exhaust. So we bought a gasket kit for it, and we're going to be looking at it. Okay, so just some information on some stuff. Here's a bunch of little O-rings and stuff. This is a intake kit, or intake gasket, which we already put on it. Exhaust gasket. This is a head gasket, oil vent gasket. These are for the oil dipper. Here's the front seal, which I already replaced that. But there's supposed to be a rear seal in here, but I don't see one. So I'm going to have to purchase that. Yeah, there isn't one. That sucks. There's supposed to be one. But there's a bunch of gaskets, or head gaskets in here. There's graphite ones, which that's what these are. Then there's metal ones. I might use the metal. I don't know yet. I'll figure that out later. Got another intake. These are both intake gaskets. Then here is our main crankcase gasket. Then there are two valve cover gaskets. There we go. Oil filter gasket, another exhaust gasket. That's another intake. That's an intake. This is a intake manifold gasket. So where'd it go? There's one right here somewhere. Right there. So yeah, we're not going to be installing it today, but here's all the stuff. All the gas. So what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to bring the Ingersoll out here. I have that engine, or that leveler, and I've come along, and right there I have a rope that will come down, and I'll just crank on it. We'll have to take off the pump and all the electronics and stuff to take it off. Take it off, then I'll move the tractor out, pull this over, and that will be my disassembling table and assembling table. And I have plenty of brake cleaner and engine degreaser up there. I had to replace the carb on a couple weeks ago. Here's the old one. Here's a bunch of gasket maker and tubes, fuel filter. I'll use that on it when I'm done. Some new spark plugs, definitely gonna use those. So yeah, I know today's a short video, but that's all I gotta talk about, and that's just a sneak peek of the new upcoming video. And I got some tires right there. If you guys remember, that's part of my go-kart. Back there is the Briggs 5-horse I'm gonna put on it. I got a bunch of metal to extend the frame. The frame's out back. I just went to Harbor Freight, got me some crushed walnut, some welding wire and welder. And I finally knew how to weld. Yeah, okay. I was just looking at my seat. And got me one of these so I can fasten it right and weld it square. So yeah, well, that was a short video, but hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.